In this video tutorial, we're going to be using the volume formula of a rectangular prism to find one of the missing dimensions. Our word problem states that a pool holds 17.5 cubic feet of water. What is the width of the pool if the length is 3.5 feet and the height is 1 foot? So on the screen is the volume formula of a rectangular prism, which is length times width times height. So reread the word problem and substitute the numbers for the information. So for volume, we would be substituting 17.5 because that stands for the volume. The word problem tells us the length, so we substitute 3.5. The width we don't know because the question says, what is the width? And the question says height is 1 foot. So instead of height, we're going to replace it with 1. So when you carefully do that, you get this. So anything times 1 will just be that value. So now think of how will you isolate W? How will you get it by itself? I hope you're thinking to divide both sides by 3.5. Go ahead and grab that calculator. 17.5 divided by 3.5 will give you 5. And make sure to label feet.